Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Midjourney subscription in 2026. So if you no longer need your plan or want to stop future payments, the process is usually pretty straightforward. First, sign in to your Midjourney account and open the Account or Profile section. Make sure you're using the account that currently has the active subscription. Now confirm the cancellation request. Once the process is completed, you should see a message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's also a good idea to check your email inbox for a cancellation confirmation. This helps verify that the request was processed correctly. After cancellation, you may still have access to your subscription features until the end of the current billing period, depending on the terms of your plan. Finally, revisit the billing page and confirm that the subscription status has changed and that no future renewals are scheduled. And that's it. That's how to cancel a Midjourney subscription in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.